Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to sort months in Power BI. So I have this table opened up, and as you can see the months are not in order. So all you need to do is come here, click on Home, and then click on Transform Data, click on Transform Data again, and I want to show you something, okay? Now, I have the month field, and what I also have for each month, I have assigned an integer value, okay? So if I come here and show you each month, for example, January, the month number is 1. June, the month number is 6. Now the thing is, make sure guys, this is not set as ABC, okay, or text. You need to come here, right click on the column, and we need to come hover over change type and make sure it is set as a number, okay? Set as a whole number, and this will set it as an integer. There we go. And now all you need to do is close this. Okay, come here, click on X. We'll go ahead and apply. Because if you don't do this as an integer, it will just cause issues and it will not be the correct sorting. And then all you need to do is once this loads up, okay, I want you to click on month number, right? And then go ahead and come here, click on sort by column under column tools, and we'll go ahead and sort it by month number. Okay, and there you go. As you can see, everything is now in order. Really that easy and simple.